turning my R34 Skyline into a pre-runner style pickup truck. Part 9. Today I'll be doing a GTR coupe rear end conversion. Bye-bye sedan quarter panel. I'm adding brackets because the coupe back bumper sits about 2 inches higher than the sedan. Now I need to build a coupe rear quarter panel from scratch. This will be the inner flange. To make the outer skin, first I'll make a paper template. After cutting out the paper template, I'll trace it onto a piece of sheet metal and cut that out with tin snips. After bending this piece to match the shape of the taillight, it's ready to weld in. Almost welded my finger. Time to say goodbye to the top half of this GTR trunk. And it's done. Time to build the wide body rear quarter panels.